Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ibinganga, and if this is your first time on my channel, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a pink cut crease, and I think this is my first time actually trying out a cut crease, so I'm pretty excited. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, please continue watching the video. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I post a video. So let's go right on ahead and watch the video. I'm going to start with priming my eyes using my NYX eyeshadow primer. This is obviously because you need a good base for your eyeshadow, and it also helps your eyeshadow to pop. I had done my eyebrows off camera, and there's a friend of mine who was making fun of me because I always say that, but I now do have a video where I'm actually doing just the eyebrows, so just go check it out and I will link it in the description box as well. I'm now just blending out that eyeshadow primer using my finger before I go in with my eyeshadow. I'm starting off with this purple color on my outer V. The name is Escape, and this is from the Morphe X James Charles palette. So I'm just blending that as I add on to the color. I'm just making sure that I concentrate that color on my outer V, but as I'm blending it, I'm bringing it to the inner part of my lid. I'm using a dense flat brush to apply that color because I just want it to be quite pigmented, but at the same time I want it to look blended. So I'm now going in with my second color, which is called Skip. This is a bright pink color, and the reason I wanted to use this to blend it out is because this is actually pretty much the main color, because this is supposed to be a pink cut crease. So I'm just dragging that towards the inner corner, but I'm not going to actually apply it in the inner corner. I just want to, just set the right transition, if I can call it that, for the cut crease. So I just take my time with that. I just blend it until I'm satisfied with how it looks. It will definitely take quite a bit of time, so don't even be in a hurry. You want it to look really good. So I'm just using my pro concealer that is in the shade Cool Tan to cut my crease, and I'm using that technique where you look down and then you just cut the crease exactly where the concealer falls. I don't know if you guys understood, but I hope you're able to see exactly how I did it. So I'm just now blending out the concealer just so that it's, properly blended before I add my shimmer color. I have to say my eyes are hooded, so I've always avoided these cut crease looks, even though I admire them so much. But I'm pretty impressed with how it turned out. I'm actually definitely going to be doing this more often. So I'm now going in with my finger just to blend out the edges like I had mentioned before, and then I'm just going to add my other colors. So I'm now just adding my shimmer color. This particular color is called Ring Light. This is also from the Morphe X James Charles palette. I'm just going to be using that one palette for all my looks today. I'm now going in with a brush just for more precision, because cut creases are all about that precision, so I didn't want to mess anything up. So I'm just packing on that shimmer using my brush. Then I'm taking my brush, the one that had the purple color, and I'm just bringing in that purple color into the shimmer to blend them together. You want your shimmer color and your transition shade to have that proper transition, that seamless transition. So that is why I was doing that. So I packed on a bit of that purple color, and oh, you guys, look at the way it's coming along so well. I have never been so happy about a look. Then I took that pink color, I just added a bit of it at the top. I don't know what effect this was creating, but I was loving all of it. So I just continued blending the two colors together, the pink and the purple, until I was satisfied with how it was looking. I worked on my other eye off camera just to save on time, and then I moved on to my lower waterline. So I'm just adding a bit of that dark purple and blending it out using the pink color. I'm also going to finish off my eyes off camera, just adding some lashes, and I'm going to also add a bit of black eyeliner, and then I move on to my face. So I'm now just priming my face before I go in with my foundation, and I'm using the Rimmel London primer. Yes, that's the one. I'm just going to insert a photo for you guys. Then I'm just going to use my Revlon Colorstay foundation. You guys already know this is my best foundation of all time. It's the one I use all the time on this channel. I'm just blending that out using my flat foundation brush, just making sure I buff that product into the skin because I'm going for a full coverage look. Then I'm going to go in with my concealer. So today I'm trying out a different concealer technique. I'm going to use that Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. This is pretty close to my shade. Actually, I think this could be my shade, and I can use this as a foundation. So I'm just using that on my outer sides. I don't know if that's what I'm supposed to call them, but yeah, I'm just using that on the outer parts, and then for the inner parts and for the bridge of my nose and for my chin, I'm going to use the one I always use, which is Cool Tan, which is a bit lighter, even though it doesn't look like it is on camera. As I'm editing this, I'm just realizing it doesn't look the same, but you know, it's a bit lighter. Yeah. Then for contouring, I'm using Beautiful Bronze. That is another Pro Concealer. So I'm just targeting my forehead and then the high point of my cheeks. This just gives them a bit more structure. It makes my forehead look smaller. Then after leaving the concealer for about a minute, 2 minutes, I used a sponge just to blend it out, and I really love the result. I had to finish off the blending off camera because there was a lot of blending going on. I'm now going to set the concealer using my black Opal setting powder, and I'm not going to be baking. I don't like to bake anymore because I just feel like it's quite drying. As much as my face is quite oily, it really does dry me out, so I avoid baking. And what I do is I just press the powder into my skin just as I'm doing, and then I brush out the excess. So I'm now going to bronze using those two shades. I always use these two because I find them so pretty, and I'm just applying them above my contour, as you can see, and then I'm going to blend it out. I also do like to bronze my forehead because yeah, I need to add a bit of warmth in those areas. I'm now using my powder. This is the powder in my shade. It should be Classic Tan, and I'm using that to just brush out the excess powder. And what this does is that it really prevents the flashback. As you can see, everything looks pretty well blended. Moving on to highlighter, I've gone to my other palette. That's the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm using those two gold shimmer shades as highlighter. And what I do with highlighter, I just target the areas that I know will be catching the light when I'm taking my photos. I don't know if catching the light is really proper English, but you get what I'm saying. So I'm now moving on to the lips. I'm just lining my lips using a dark purple liner. So this is a liner that I've had for a while. I really don't remember what brand it is. It's just a dark purple liner, okay? Then I'm going in with my usual nude pink lippy. This is another one that I've had for quite a while. The name of the brand is not even on the lid anymore, so I should probably get another one. Yeah, so I'm just popping that in the middle, and this is the final look. How amazing does this look? I'm really obsessed with this look. I'm really proud of myself. Like, I did that, and it was my first time actually trying out a cut crease. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that, yeah, you will be trying it out, of course. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.